So last year I had a video entitled Pod HD 500X in 2018. Now it's 2019 and I downgraded to a Pod H3. So I downgraded to a Pod X3 Live, and here's 5 reasons why. Number 1, the Pod X3 Live is extremely old. So old that I got this one for $80 because somebody just wanted to get rid of it. And it was in fair condition. It came with the gig bag and it came with all the cables. So for $80, a Pod X3 Live is a bad deal. Number 2, it sounds really good even for its age. Or even just direct. Especially for live shows.
Number 3.
As with all Line 6 products, it's all about how you make the tone work with your gear. So this sounded good within 5 minutes. Number 4, as I mentioned earlier, the Pod X3 Live is fairly old. When I originally got this, the switches on it were totally busted. So I spent a couple of hours tearing this apart and replacing the tactile switches that are underneath each one of these, which is a fairly simple project to do. And not only that, I also changed the LEDs because it looks way cooler and it's easy to get in here and do whatever you want. Number 5, even though my time as a live performer has come to an end, now I'm a bedroom musician, so that means I can play anytime I want in this room. It's fairly straightforward to program a patch change using MIDI for this pod. You can check it out in this video thing here. So with that in mind, setting this up to do all my patch changes, it's still pretty rad. So that's 5 reasons why you should definitely consider a Pod X3 Live in 2019. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Zombie13, and I'll see you next time.
I don't think it's funny.